Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim Together Reborn with mods. First, ensure you have Skyrim Special Edition and all its official downloadable content installed. Next, download the most recent Skyrim Together Reborn client from its official source. Once downloaded, extract all the client files directly into your main Skyrim game folder. This crucial step ensures the co-op mod integrates correctly with your game installation. When adding mods, a robust mod manager like Mod Organizer 2 is highly recommended for better stability and easier management. It's best to avoid mods that significantly change core game mechanics, as these often cause desynchronization issues. Most importantly, every player in your group must have the exact same mod list and load order to ensure a smooth, synchronized multiplayer experience. To begin your adventure, launch Skyrim Together Reborn using the specific executable file, not the standard Skyrim launcher. Once the game loads, you can connect to an existing server by entering its IP address and port number. Alternatively, you can host your own private server, allowing you and your friends to enjoy a customized and exclusive multiplayer session. If you encounter any issues, like frequent crashes or desynchronization, first try verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam. For more specific troubleshooting or community support, the official Skyrim Together Reborn Discord server is an excellent resource. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including a fantastic way to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.